It's here, guys! Welcome back to the channel again, guys. The Cooler Master MasterFrame 700 was announced in CES 2021 back in January, just a little over a month ago, and now it has arrived in the studio. My first impression of this case, or rather frame, is that it is built like a tank. The overall size of this case is bigger than I initially thought, even after watching Gear Seekers and Hardware Canucks video back in January. The entire case is made out of thick metal and comes in matte black. Everything about this case shouts premium. Alright, let me run you through the unboxing experience. The first thing you see upon opening the package is the huge piece of tempered glass with a single sheet of a quick start guide full of pictures for easy reference. This is not a small glass, it measures 29.5 inches diagonally. Yes, it is bigger than a 27-inch monitor. The reference sheet shows all the hardware installation layout as well as the case in either the VESA mounting mode, test bench mode or an open air mode. This is the only piece of guide that Cooler Master provides, plus a few more details on the box itself. Next, you'll be greeted by the glorious main frame itself. And it is a heavy piece of metal, guys. It is extremely intuitive as markings are clearly printed on the frame to let you know what all the mounting points are for. It also comes with 6 pieces of rubber feet to mount on the case so that you don't scratch your desk, as well as packs of cable ties and all the screws that you need. Moving on, you see 2 more pieces of metal which Cooler Master calls them wings for the MasterFrame 700. The wings goes to the left and right side of the main frame and act as, well, wings where you can install additional hardwares. Each side of the wing supports 120, 140, 240, 280 and 360mm AIO or radiator. Speaking of AIO, the Cooler Master ML240L and ML360L V2 ARGB now comes in white. So if you have watched until this part of the video, comment down below on why you want one and I'll give away one for free. Cooler Master also include the magnetic logo covered with rubber, which you can stick to anywhere on the frame since the entire frame is made of metal. Another layer inside the box stores the PCIe bracket and the 2 main feet that supports the frame when in test bench mode. The feet also supports and hold the tempered glass when in an open air mode. Also included is an SSD bracket that supports up to 3 simultaneously and a pair of radiator bracket which holds the AIO or radiator directly on the main frame itself rather than on the wings. On the side, you get a power supply cover to keep cables tidy behind, as well as 2 power supply brackets. Yes, you can install 2 power supplies at the same time behind the frame. At the back of the main frame, you get 3 Velcro cable ties to help with cable management, but I suspect you probably need more than 3. Also included in the box is a neat I/O panel which has a power button, 2 USB-A's, 1 USB-C and a headphone mic combo jack. The I/O panel can be placed on either side of the frame depending on which configuration that you are working on. The MasterFrame 700 also comes with 4 mounting points for the VESA 100 mounting standard, which means you can actually use it as an open-air wall-mounted PC setup and probably behind any monitor that supports the VESA 100 standard. What about price and availability? Cooler Master did not provide me any details about pricing and when can you actually buy this, but I suspect it won't be too long. I will update in the description box below as soon as I get the details. Overall, the Cooler Master MasterFrame 700 is an extremely well-built casing. It is also quite heavy. The whole package weighs 15 kilos pre-unboxing. I'm very excited and I can't wait to be building on it. So leave a comment down below if you have any ideas or suggestions on what I should build on the MasterFrame 700. That is all from me today, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you guys again in the next one. Ciao!